No matter what the internet and all the fake fitness gurus are telling you, there is only one diet that will actually help you to lose fat. I lost 42 kilos over the last few years. If you want to know more about my fat loss journey other than my diet, then go ahead and grab my free fat loss guide in the description, okay? I have tried all the diets, all the fancy diets before losing 42 kilos. Carnivore, keto, vegetarian, vegan, you name it, I have tried it. And let me tell you, there is only one diet that worked for me. And the trick is, all these diets are exactly the same. It doesn't matter because everybody is different and everybody has different needs. Let me explain. Let's just take this example. I tell you that I have these amazing shoes, the most comfortable shoes in the whole world, and I tell you to buy these shoes, but in the exact same size, exact same design, exact same color, everything. You buy these shoes, but they are uncomfortable for you. They don't fit your needs. They are painful. You don't like it and you don't like the color. Then, is it the best shoes or was it just the best shoes for me? And this is something else for you. This is the same with diets. You can try all these fancy diets, but they are just a confusion. All they are doing, these extreme diets, is they are taking out one ingredient, one food source or one food group from your diet that are high in calories. For example, keto and carnivore are cutting out carbohydrates entirely. And since carbohydrates have high calories, of course you are going to lose the fat. People who do the carnivore only eat meat. Yes, they lose the fat because they are taking in or eating less calories daily than they are burning off. So there is no magic diet. There is no trick. There is not some fancy meal plan that you can follow. The whole thing is that you have to be conscious with what you eat. You have to eat less calories every single day and stop confusing yourself. Because you can force on yourself one of these fancy extreme diets, but you will not be able to stick to it if you have all these cravings. If you don't eat carbohydrates, you will be hungry all the time. And anytime you have a cheat meal, you will binge eat and you will ruin everything you have done before. I have a friend who is doing keto diet. They've been doing it for years and years. And for example, if they see some bread or something, they start binge eating because they are craving it. This is not sustainable if you are subtracting stuff from your diet. Your body needs everything. Our body needs everything. This is how we were developed over the years from Homo sapiens times. Our digestive systems and our teeth show that we need all sources of food, everything in balance. So try to stick to a balanced diet and not these subtractive diets. How you can be more conscious of what you eat? First, download apps like Yazio or MyFitnessPal. Don't go watch 10, 15 other videos. Do it now. Go on the App Store, on Google Store, download it right now and start counting your calories every single day. You don't have to go crazy. It's not some fancy thing that needs a lot of time to learn. You just take a picture of your food, what you ate, and AI will calculate the rest, all the macronutrients and everything. I'm telling you, you will be surprised of all the calories that you are eating. And then you will also need your maintenance calories. This is the maintenance calories, are the calories, how many calories your body needs every single day to maintain your current weight. Okay, I will link down in the description a maintenance calorie calculator website. Here you can calculate your maintenance calories based on your age, gender, and your activity level and everything. If you set this calorie level in Yazio or MyFitnessPal, you count your calories and you eat less calories than this, you will lose fat every single day, no matter what. And you did not need a fancy diet to do so. You just needed to be conscious. For example, if your daily calorie needs are 2,900 like mine, if you eat 2,500, you are already losing fat that day. How awesome is that? And you can also eat chocolate or pizza if it fits your calorie needs. If you are 1,000 calories or 500 calories below your calorie needs, you can eat a bar of chocolate. So stop obsessing over this fancy diet. Stop confusing yourself with all this. It doesn't work because you will not be able to stick to it. The only diet that will actually work and you will be able to sustain for months and years is a balanced diet where you eat everything you crave, but it's really important to be conscious and count your calories. If you have any questions, let me know in the description. I hope this video was useful for you and see you in the next one. Ciao.